All right, so I just got my shipment in from Serialnine. These are 2 of the 3 orders that I placed. The 3rd order, it's still being manufactured right now. They've been posting on their Instagram stories the last couple days. They're making the solid/polyurethane engine mounts. But this stuff is gonna go on my Toyota Chaser. I'm super excited for it. Let's see, got 2 stickers, an off-road use only thing. So this is the differential bushing kit for the Toyota Chaser. It's going to fit on a lot of different applications, but this is specifically going on my JZX100. This is really nice, really heavy. Not really heavy, but it's got weight to it for sure. These go on like the ears like that. This actually bolts to the subframe. I should be doing this in maybe 4 or 5 days, actually putting these on my vehicle. It's going to be a process. We'll see what's up. And then this, I just thought, why not? More stickers. Oh, what's in my way? Got some Sedan King stickers, and then here's the actual package. One more sticker. Little things. So it's the weighted shift knob. Bunch of adapters to fit it to various types. This is actually probably going to go in my little daily driver, my Honda Acti. It's a little Japanese K truck, super cool. Might go in the Chaser, don't know just yet. Chaser's got some NRG one, maybe I'll swap them out, we'll see. Should be installing this stuff soon, 4 or 5 days. I think I ordered this stuff about 3 weeks ago. They shipped from Canada. I live in Tokyo. It took about 3 weeks for me to get these items. Other items should be coming in soon according to their Instagram stories. All right, so today we got Serialnine differential bushings on my Toyota Chaser 100. Also got some Diff oil, make my life easier. Here she is. This is what I'm messing with. Those 2 big boy bushings right there. You can see it's separating up there and starting to, so this is much needed. And then here's the other ones, those little ears. We gotta take the drive shaft off. Axles off, probably have to take this brace off. Also another brace here, maybe exhaust end of it. And then I'm going to drain the diff, make it a little bit lighter, and then we'll get to work. Okay, update. Drop your sway bar. You can get the rest of the bolts without you dropping the sway bar, but this top one is in there. It's a 12mm Allen key. Something. What else did we undo? We undid axles. Those are easy. Those are 10mm Allen keys. Feel that? Yeah, it's because we have these ears right here dropped. I think that's why it's flexing a little bit. We drained the oil, just to make it a little bit lighter. Undid drive shaft. These are 14mm. I just used 2 wrenches. This is a 19mm. We kind of loosened it right now. 10mm Allen keys to get these. These are 6, so you just like rotate it, have someone hold the wheel, break those off, zip tie them up. Drive shaft is also zip tied up to the parking cable. Yeah, again, drop your sway bar. It makes your life a little bit easier, gives you that extra room. And we're just about there. All right, so the diff is out. That took about an hour and a half of work. This is the first time we've ever done it. That's probably why it took so long. Not that difficult though. Got some oil over there. Royal Purple 7590. I think this thing takes 1.3 liters, so I had to buy 2 of them. This thing's no oil. Use that guy. We're gonna throw these in. We're gonna press these out with the press kit. That's gonna be easy. What's up, my guy? Give me 1 quick second. And we're gonna press those out. We'll figure that out in a minute. We'll see what we're gonna do. All right, so we're pushing the center of the bushing out. You see it separating right there. There's still the metal sleeve, which you can kind of see right here. It's got the slots. We're just gonna throw an air hammer in there and get the metal sleeve out. I think that should be easy. We're pushing this thing out. He's got a contraption, big C-clamp, bushing press kit, ball joint press kit. Super cool tool. Saw it in a Chris Fix video. That's why he bought it. $130, I think. Oh, and she came out. That's it. There's a bunch of liquid in there.
Interesting.
All right, so let me set this camera down. I'm still have a record though. All right, let me.
It's still putting up some force. Feels like.
Nah. Take the clamp out. Okay, that's good. Lift. Thank you.
I'm just gonna thread this all the way down so the grease spreads out.
Oh, look at that.
And then I'm never gonna touch this again.
Look how gross this is.
What is that liquid?
I don't know. But she was in there. This thing. Oh, we didn't break it, man.
It's still on there?
Still in there.
Yeah, we gotta push it all the way. With your hand now.
All right, bet.
All right, where's the shampoo?
So my boy's just gonna clean that surface up, clean mating surface. This right here. The way we did it is I watched a VT Bobby IS300 video. He used the air hammer, right? And you separate this rubber part, but then you still got the metal sleeve in. So you just separate it by like cutting through it with the air hammer. This just presses out. There's a bunch of grease on the inside that's like liquid now over 25 years. And then as you see, you just hit it from the sides with the air hammer and that'll eventually come out. And then once that is, we're halfway done. Then we gotta get the subframe bushings, but that hopefully is also easy. The rubber sensor, right? Just ripped it out. It was so loose. So what we tried to do is the Adam LZ way, was where you like cut through the metal ring, and then we're gonna try and tap it out with a screwdriver flathead. That's kind of proving a little difficult. So I saw a VT Bobby YouTube video where he just like air hammered it loose and then hit it out from the inside. It came right out, super easy. So that's what we're gonna try now. Let's see if we can get this. Let's see if I can hit it from right here. So we got both out. This video is like 30 seconds after we just showed you that video. That came out so easy. Now we're just gonna go ahead and clean up the surface. We sprayed some high lucent on it. May I see the high loose? So this is Japanese WD-40. Clean that up, and then we're about to go get the Serialnine stuff fitted in. I think the Serialnine stuff should just fit right in. It's gonna be super simple, right?
That's a burr.
Don't look at that. Stop looking at that.
Can you hit it with a little bit of
sandpaper?
The juice. We can use a little file.
I think
just be really gentle with it, because it's gonna tear up your bushing.
Okay.
and then you'll
especially in the front.
yeah.
Pretty sure it's the ball joint. Like every time I hit
That's
a big
in.
bump.
Oh, that's not bad. The ball joint's not bad. The you get one of these,
That one we're gonna get the bolt to go through.
Puller.
and it makes it so easy. You just use the press,
Fire.
take your arm off, and if you don't.
What does he got? I thought he was.
Just go this way. Make it easy. One more.
That's all of them? Oh.
One more.
We already got that side done.
We can
He just finished that side.
actually use
And
a
now
wrench on it.
we're gonna go ahead and give it a nice hard hand tight, as tight as we can. The wrench on all of them, 6 here, 6 there. We're gonna get those are already like started by hand. And then we'll tighten them down. They're both 14 mils. We'll use wrenches. We're gonna go ahead and get that boy in there. It's already like as tight as it can go, but we'll give it like a quick zap. And then you can kind of see that those aren't really flushed all the way in. So once everything else is tight, we're just gonna zap that with a big old impact, and then we'll give it one more hand tight, make sure everything's okay. Put my exhaust back on, put my Cusco sway bar back on, and we are done here, boys. Actually, I need to drain this. Yeah, I gotta drain that. All right, so this is later in the day from when I installed the Serialnine differential bushings on my JZX100 Chaser. Might be able to see them down there. Might be able to see them. Don't really know just yet. So I'm over here at Joyful Honda. I wanted to take this thing for a test drive and get some coffee. So honestly, the car feels a lot better. It really just feels better when I take corners hard. It feels a lot better when I'm at a stop, like a red light, and then I kind of just gun it from that red light, you know, when you're just cruising. It doesn't wheel hop as much, you know. It keeps my wheels planted to the ground for sure. Definitely a worthwhile upgrade. I definitely needed it. Looking at the bushings in the stock bushings, they were destroyed. I definitely needed this. So I feel like this will make me, this is a great upgrade. I'm very happy I did it. I can definitely feel the improvement. It doesn't actually add to the noise vibration harshness, the NVH, to the car, but I do have the full interior, full carpet, full back seats. So I really feel it in corners and in a straight line from a dig. Feels great. Love the way it looks, love the way it handles, and it feels perfect. I'm over here at Joyful though, and I see this 2021 Toyota GR Yaris. This thing is nasty though. Hot hatch, super clean, beautiful car. Look at those stock brakes. Big boys, nice and slotted. Bucket seats in there, fat front mount intercooler. This is a car that I want. It's a 1.6 liter 3-cylinder vehicle with a turbocharger, 6-speed manual, 4-wheel drive, 268 horsepower, weighs 2,800 pounds, 0 to 60 in 5 seconds flat. This thing is dominating in rally. Compared to the other Yaris's, it's got a wide body on it. It's got nice brakes, 6-speed manual. I can't remember if I said that. This thing is so clean though. It's a beautiful car. Costs around $40,000 USD. Maybe one day they'll bring it to the States. Currently I live in Tokyo, but if and when I go back to America, I wouldn't be able to take that just because of the 25-year rule. Still a very clean car. Maybe one day we'll get lucky in America. But yeah, got my Serialnine stickers, Sedan Kings. I'm gonna go get some coffee now. It's like low 30s, high 20s out here. I'm fucking freezing. Serialnine outdid themselves. Beautiful product. Hoping to get more of their stuff in. I got their solid / polyurethane engine mounts. Bought those a couple weeks ago for the pre-order price. They just made them and they just shipped them out like 2 days ago. Should have that in the mail soon. I didn't do the subframe bushing kit or even the Odyssey Fab subframe reinforcement kit. I didn't do that just yet. I don't really think I need it, and I didn't want to have all that solidness. Just announcements going on right now. I didn't go with the Serialnine subframe kit or the Odyssey Fab subframe reinforcement kit just yet because it wasn't something that I desperately needed. I feel like I really did need the differential bushings because mine were falling apart. And for all you JZX owners the next couple years when y'all start buying them, highly recommend looking at your differential bushings. Putting these Serialnine ones in makes the world of a difference. The car feels so much better now. Highly recommend. In the future, I will be purchasing the Serialnine subframe bushing kit and the Odyssey Fab reinforcement kit. That's in the future though. It's not something that I desperately need right now, but it will be nice to have. It'll really tie in everything underneath the vehicle. Yeah, I'm gonna go get coffee now. Thanks guys.